In this video, I'll detail how to fix application not open on iPhone. So if your apps are not opening on your iPhone, maybe some of the application you have installed on your iPhone is not open, or all the applications are not opening, then I'm going to provide 3 solutions to this. So at least one of these solutions is going to work, and if the first doesn't work, the second might, or the third. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, if apps are not opening on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do is want to check whether there's an update waiting for you in the App Store. So first, go to your iPhone App Store. If you cannot find the iPhone App Store on the home screen, just click on the spotlight search, then click on App Store. Once you click on that, wait for the App Store to load. Once it loads, click on your profile icon at the top right. Then under that, you see upcoming automatic update. Then these are the applications that are due for update on my iPhone. If either of this application is not opening, then it may be due to the fact that the application is outdated. Then you want to update this application to the latest version by clicking on either update or tap update all to update all the application you have on your iPhone. Then that's one of the ways. Secondly, you want to check whether you have an update waiting for you on your iPhone. If your iPhone is due for update, maybe there is a new bug fix that comes to your iPhone that you need to update to on the iOS you are using, then you need to check regularly whether there is an update available. So just go to your iPhone settings. Now on the settings page, just scroll down and then select General. Once you selected General on the General page, you want to locate Software Updates. Click on this and make sure you are connected to the internet. So your iPhone will check for the latest update you need to download and install on your iPhone. This depends on your iPhone. So if you're using iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone XR, you may see iOS 16 or iOS 15 update. And for iPhone that support iOS 18 or later, then you should see the version of the update you need to install. In this case, you can see I have the iOS 18 installed on my iPhone, and it says iOS is up to date. So if you have an update waiting for you here, then go ahead and install the update on your iPhone to fix app not opening on your iPhone. Now, additional way you can use to fix app not opening on your iPhone or iPhone apps not opening is swipe up and then locate the application you have on your iPhone like this. Then if the app is half opened, then locate the app and then close it permanently. So once you've closed it, go back to the application and open it again. If it fails to open, then you may need to restart your iPhone. So there are quite a few ways you can use to restart your iPhone to fix iPhone apps not opening. To do this, if you're using iOS 18, quickest way, just swipe down the top right, then press and hold the power button. Once you feel the haptics on the power button, then let it go, then slide to power off your iPhone. And then once your iPhone is powered off, go back, press the side button again to turn on your iPhone. So once this is done, this should be able to fix iPhone apps not opening on your device. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.